Hi guys, this is Marvin from shopsadapage.com, and today we're going to do an unboxing and review of the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud. With the popularity of HyperX's Cloud series, it's only fitting that they make something that mobile gamers would love, and I think they did that with the HyperX Cloud Earbuds right here. So primarily, it is made for Nintendo Switch users, but since it uses a CTI A3.5mm plug standard, I think it should work fine with any 3.5mm plug. So with that being said guys, let's get into it. Welcome back guys. So as usual, we're going to do a quick unboxing right here. So this is the packaging for the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud. So this is a flip type as you can see here. And inside it looks like we have a carrying case right here and some replacement ear tips. At the back of the box, there's nothing in it except for the note that it is optimized for handheld mode. So let's see what comes in the package. So inside the box, we have some paperwork right here. And then we have the congratulations letter from HyperX itself. And then of course, the quick start guide as you can see here. And then we have the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud itself. So as seen on the outside of the box, we have here the carrying case, a zipper type hard case as you can see. And inside it, we have the different sizes replacement ear tips. The quality of the carrying case, as you can see, is pretty decent. It also has this compartment for the replacement ear tips. And now, let's take a closer look at the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud itself. So in terms of the design and construction, let's start off with the construction first. So although the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud is made of hard plastic and rubber materials, it feels really solid and the thickness of the wire is just at the right size. Now in terms of the design, this is where the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud stands out from the rest of the crowd because of its unique ear tip design as you can see here. At first fit, it feels like it's going to fall off. It doesn't really feel that it's in there, which is weird, but after a while I realized that that's actually the point of the design. It's meant to be as comfortable as possible without it falling down. The design of the ear tip is elongated as you can see here, which means it can sit closer to your eardrum compared to a usual ear tip. It's also very comfortable in the sense that when you put this inside your ear, there's no vacuum or suction pressure that we usually feel from a usual ear tip, which is kinda nice. It fits inside my ear without any pressure and without it falling down. I also think that this is a good alternative for gaming headsets, especially for those people that wear glasses like me, so there's no additional pressure, especially during long period of gaming sessions. Now, when it comes to sound isolation, it's close to non-existent in the sense that when you use this while gaming, you will still hear everything that's happening around you, which may or may not go depending on your preference. It has that open stage sound signature in it, which I personally like, but a little bit of a hassle when used outdoors. Now, when it comes to sound quality, this is amazing for such a small device. The mids, highs, and lows are very clear and rich with an ample amount of bass. The vocals are really popping and you can definitely recognize the different instruments that's playing in the music. I've tested this with different genres of music and this earbud sounded great across all of them. Now, the sound quality for gaming, as expected, is also great, since the overall sound quality, as I've mentioned earlier, is amazing and that also reflects in-game as well. And since this pack a decent amount of low end and bass, you can definitely hear the footsteps and gunfights while gaming. It's really immersive, especially during cutscenes. You can definitely hear the vocals very clearly and you can feel the mood on the background music. I've tested this on Assassin's Creed Origins and CSGO for PC and Rules of Survival on a smartphone. At this point, it seems like I'm praising the sound quality of this device too much, but for context, I'm basing that in comparison with a regular pair of earbuds, which the sound quality difference is very noticeable. Back to our testing, in terms of sound positioning, like I said, you will definitely hear the gunfights and footsteps, but it's not as pronounced as what you might be able to get from a proper gaming headset. But the overall sound quality and audio positioning, comparing it with a regular pair of headphones, is really noticeable. Alright guys, so moving on, the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud has an inline control right here and it has a multi-function button for music playback and answering and rejecting calls. At the back, we also have a built-in microphone. The microphone quality is decent and for sure will suffice any in-game communication. And here's a sound test for you guys. Now, this is a mic test for the HyperX Cloud Gaming Earbud on a laptop without any editing. the recording volume is 100% without any additional gain. Again, this is a mic test for the HyperX Cloud gaming earbud on a laptop without any editing. Volume recording is 100% and without any additional gain. Alright guys, so this is a mic test for the HyperX Cloud gaming earbuds that is connected on a smartphone. So this is connected on my Xiaomi Redmi 5A smartphone, and the audio that you're hearing right now is without any editing. So again, this is a mic test for the HyperX Cloud gaming earbuds. So as you've heard, the microphone quality is really decent and capable, and the distance of the microphone to the earbud is sufficient enough so that you'll be able to talk to the microphone directly. Now, before we wrap this up guys, I would just like to mention that it also has a cable management loop right here, and the 3.5mm plug is angled, so it's more comfortable when using this on a mobile device like your Nintendo Switch, your smartphone, or tablets. So it's not going to hurt your palms, especially during long periods of gaming sessions. And of course, since the cable is flat, it's basically tangle-free as you can see here. It's easy to manage, especially if you're going to stow it away on the carrying case or inside your pocket or on your bag. Alright guys, so to conclude, at first I was a bit skeptical with regards to the unique design of the ear tip, but after trying it and playing with it for a while, I really feel that the design worked out as intended, at least for my experience. It's really comfortable in the sense that when you put it inside your ear, there's no vacuum or suction pressure, which makes it a little bit more lighter. And I feel like it's really comfortable, especially during long period of gaming sessions. The sound quality is really amazing. Like I said, the mids, lows, and highs are very clear, and there's a good amount of bass. Now, the sound isolation can be a point of argument, but at the end of the day, it will all boil down to personal preference. For me, it's not a big deal, and the open sound signature that it offers is really a good experience for me. The price is a little bit on the steeper side of around 2,999 at this point, but with the features and the sound quality, and if you are a mobile gamer and always on the go, I think the price is justified. And there you have it guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to check the full article link on the description below. Thanks to HyperX for sending this in. You can get this from their partner stores on Lazada, link on the description below as well. Subscribe if you like this, and see you next time. Thank you, have a great day.